Hey, it's Paula from On a String, and I thought I'd just show you my really quick and easy way to create a sliding knot lariat that works really well with pendants. So let's have a look at what we're going to do here. And this makes it a really adjustable cord that you can then use on a variety of different things, meaning that it can be the length that you want to wear it. So what I've got here is my pendant that's finished. I've created a little sort of bail here to join the cord on, and I've just done what's called, I think it's a lark's head knot. So I've just sort of threaded that through the bail and brought out two ends like that. Now this piece of black cord is what I'm going to use to finish my piece. It's not exactly the same length, so the first thing I'm going to do is just make sure that the two ends are the same length. Okay, now I know that I want to actually tie some knots in this piece. So what I do is just lay my cord down like that, and I have the two ends sort of overlapping where I want the knots to actually be. And what I'm going to do is just sort of tie just a simple slip knot over one side like that, and draw that nice and tight. Actually, I'm just going to do it the other direction. Okay, sorry, I'm going to go back here. So I've gone under, over both the thread that I'm tying and the existing one, and then pull that through like that. And then I come to the other side and I do the same thing. So go over, under, over, and then come back up through that loop like that, and then pull that nice and tight. So you can see there now I've got two knots on either side, and they actually slide, so it makes it an adjustable cord. But what I do now so that it actually doesn't move anywhere is I'll just trim off that little end that's here, and then I get a cigarette lighter or a flame, and I'll just melt that cord. Just press it against the lighter so that the knot doesn't come undone. I'll do the same to the other side. So snip it off. And this is like a waxed cotton cord, so it works really well just to melt that. So again, I'm just sort of melting that in there. Just press it against the lighter so that you've got a nice flat surface there. And now my cord is adjustable, movable, and it means that the pendant can be worn at different lengths. So that's my sliding knot clasp that I like to use to create an adjustable pendant. Hope you like it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to see more tips and tricks from our 10 Under Tuesday series. Bye for now.